crap. Wait, Steven, let me try it. It's time for Big Sexy to do it. The ultimate mega of all time. Where is he going? Holy crap.
Right now, it's at full battery.
So basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be recording this thing. And then hopefully Steven will let me try it. It had just been his birthday yesterday. So, yeah. Hey, Steven, here, let me try it.
Stuck.
Steven, let me try it.
Okay.
Hold the camera. The other way. Put it at me. Guys, it's my first time trying this. I'm so nervous. Okay. Move up. Holy crap. I don't know what I'm doing.
Are you trying to drive it at me?
No. Trying to make it go over there. Ooh.
Dude, it's bumpy over
Ooh, look at that. Ooh, sexy gloves. Oh crap, it got stuck. Move back. Wait, no, move back. Move back. Beep, 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 beep.
Oh shit, where is it? Oh, it got stuck.
Apparently it got stuck right there on the left turn. Wow.
Okay. Okay, guys, if you don't know what car this is, that car is actually a Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
Yeah, I call it a Lamborghini. Oh shoot.
Oh yeah.
Hey, don't drive it.
Oh, what a meg! What right between his legs. Do it again. Do it again. Oh, and again. And another one. And another one. Another one.
Ah! There.
Okay, now it's his turn to try it. So apparently we're just gonna be taking turns at it.
Yeah. Let's see what you got, Lamborghini.
It's about to mag me. Holy crap, it almost ran over my leg.
I'm just gonna drive this in circles.
He's just gonna drive it in circles. And he just got it stuck.
Okay, this is how you do it. This is how to switch sides. This way goes the other way, and this way goes that way.
Like, look at the control, how he's moving it.
And that's got stuck on the grass.
See him say bye. See him say it.
Sorry, that fast.
Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.